Hello everyone. Our today's topic is very interesting. Let's start. The simplest online skills anyone can start in 2026. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something very practical and important. If someone is complete beginner, has no experience and still wants to start earning online, what skills should they actually learn? Many people think online earning is very complex, but the reality is very different. There are many simple skills that even beginners can start learning in 2026. Let's understand them step by step. First skill is video editing. Today, short videos, YouTube content, and social media reels are in huge demand. People are need editors for YouTube videos, TikTok clips, Instagram reels, and advertisements. You don't need advanced software in the beginning. Even basic editing tools can help you start participating. Second skill is graphic design. This means creating thumbnails, social media posts, logos, and banners. Tools like Canva have made this very simple for the beginners. You don't have need to an artist. You just need practice and creativity. Third skill is content writing. Many businesses need simple written content for websites, blogs, social media posts, and product descriptions. If you can write simple English or even basic structural sentences, you can start learning this skill. Fourth skill is social media management. Many small businesses do not know how to handle their pages. They need people who can post content, reply to messages, manage pages, grow engagement. This is very practical and beginner friendly skill. Fifth skill is learning uh, freelancing platforms. This is not a skill itself but a gateway. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with global clients. And once you have a skill, you can offer it there and start earning. Sixth skill is AI tools. Today AI can help you write content, create designs, generate ideas, improve productivity. If you learn how to use AI properly, you can work faster and smarter. Seventh skill is voiceover work. Many YouTube channels need voice recordings for videos. If you have a clear voice, you can start practicing this skill from home. Now most now the most important question is, do you need high education or expensive equipment to start? The answer is no. Most people start with a mobile phone, free tools, and basic internet access. But here is the real secret. Skills alone are not enough. Practice is the key. You must spend time daily learning and improving. Even 1 hour a day can change your future over time. So the conclusion is simple. There are many easy skills available today. The biggest challenge is not learning them. The biggest challenge is starting. Now the question is, which skill will you choose first to begin your digital journey? Please join us in comment section and wait for next video to have a to with a new topic.